Okay. I'm not sure what week I'm on. I'm on week 9 or 10. So this is the final wall that I needed to get up. Got the plywood up. It's insulated. Of course, it's got a few gaps in it. And I've got this closet made up. Of course, the door ain't straight. I don't care. And I got all the other walls done. So I now have my little storage room in here. And then this little room actually, like I said, is going to brace this wall to keep it from hopefully moving anymore. And I got my other toolbox in. So now I should have enough storage for all my tools and not have to worry about this. But yeah, it's coming along pretty well. Now I got to move everything out of here. I've got more storage that I've bought so I can have a 6 foot stainless steel workbench that I've got to get built out. And then there's just so much more to do, but hopefully I'll be making slow progress. The progress is going to slow because of the weather now, because I've got to mess with the roof, and I'm not for sure that I'm not going to end up taking this whole garage door down. And go to a roll-up style door. So more things to come, and as soon as this garage is done, this thing's getting finished up. This KTM, this Polaris Outlaw, I've got all the pieces to rebuild this thing in that box, to redo the whole thing. Everything that's wrong with this four-wheeler is in that box, so I'm going to jump on that pretty quick. So